Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for all your love and support on my previous video. I think I've answered everyone's question. However, what I think will be a good idea is I'm going to incorporate all the questions and the answers in my upcoming video. So my 10-day results video that's coming up next week. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss my update. I'm so excited to share that with you. So a number of you wanted to know how else you could incorporate rice water into your regimen. So I came up with these 3 options. So if you're someone who doesn't want to use it as a rinse and doesn't want to use it as a leave-in, you can definitely use it as a shampoo or a cleanser. And I'm just about to show you 3 simple DIYs that you can do. So stay tuned. So for the first option, you can use any shampoo bar that you have. I love this Rasul one from Shea Butter Cottage. So you can either use this or you can even use black soap. Basically just take a portion of it and grate it into a separate bowl and just warm up some of your rice water, fermented rice water, and put it in that mixture and let it melt into the rice water and use that as a wash. So your second option is the Holy Grail Indian Healing Clay, aka bentonite clay. It's the best. This stuff is gonna make your curls pop, I tell you. So you can pretty much use rice water as a mixing agent. So instead of using apple cider vinegar, you can just use rice water. So for the final option, it's the easiest. Use any liquid shampoo and pretty much dilute it with a bit of rice water and use that to wash your hair. And that's about it. Thanks guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless.